Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine. I am your French coach and I'm here to teach you French. Today, a simple and fun episode for beginners and travelers about French vegetables. I'm just sure that at one point you will need or you would want to go to a farmer's market. And also keep posted for our two next episodes coming up. One is going to be about French accents, when to pronounce them and how to pronounce them. And the next one will be all about nailing that French R sound, the r. Alright, so I'll be right back just after this short break. Farmers market is a lot of fun in French. You will find them in every city, small or large, such as Paris, Bordeaux, Lyon, or Marseille, and this is a fun way to interact with people. Alright, so let's start right away and let's pretend that you want to make the famous ratatouille dish. Ratatouille is a dish made with onions, eggplants, tomatoes, and zucchinis. Aubergine. L'aubergine. Aubergine. Une aubergine is an eggplant. Aubergine. L'aubergine, it's spelled with a G, and in French it's make the sound je like in treasure. Aubergine. Zucchinis. Courgette. Une courgette. La courgette. Une courgette. La courgette. With a J sound like in treasure. La courgette. Onions in French are spelled very weirdly. It's spelled O-I-G-N-O-N-S. So don't go say something like wagnon or I don't know, maybe ognon. That is not the pronunciation. It is where the spelling doesn't match the pronunciation. And it says oignon. Oignon. Un oignon. L'oignon. Oignon, once again, spelled O-I at the beginning, so do not pronounce wagnon. Oignon, un oignon. Alright, now tomatoes is very easy. Une tomate. Une tomate. In French, the letter A always makes the sound A. Unlike English, where A can have different sound, it's always A, and your mouth is wide open. Une tomate. Great, so now if you go to the farmer's market, you might see some potatoes. Les pommes de terre. Les pommes de terre. In French, we call them apples from the earth. Une pomme de terre, les pommes de terre. Let's try. Pomme de terre. Great! And then you might see some carrots. This one is easy in French. Les carottes. I know that R sound is never very easy to pronounce. Une carotte. Les carottes. Another very common vegetable in French is leek. Le poireau. Les poireaux. When it's plural, you would see X at the end. You don't pronounce that X. Le poireau. Les poireaux. Leeks. poireau. And then, of course, you might see some cabbages. Le chou. CH in French makes the sound sh. Le chou. Les choux. Also with X when it's plural and you don't pronounce that X. Le chou. Les choux. All right, there's another vegetable that you'd see. It's lettuce. The word would be laitue. In French, it's spelled Liitue, and you would say laitue. Une laitue, la laitue. All right, let's try to go over all these names together one more time. Aubergine, courgette, oignon, tomate, pomme de terre, salade, laitue, oignon, carotte, poireau. These are the main vegetables that you see in France. Of course, we have many more, and I encourage you to try all of them. And when you go to the farmer's market, go and interact with people. It's always a fun thing to do. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. You made it to the end. You're great. And if you're just starting to listen to my podcast, please consider subscribing and download the other episodes. Most of them have a transcript on my Facebook page or on the website. Next episode, as I mentioned, will be with French accents, and then the next one will be all about nailing this French R. Since we're in January, this is what I call the January Beginners Series, so you can hop on the podcast without having to listen to all the others. Great! So if you like my podcast, please feel free to leave some ratings. I think on Spotify now you can leave some stars, or on Apple Podcasts too, and Audible. And I'm also, if you're listening on other platforms, feel free to leave comments or to reach out to me. Again, I know you're terrific, and if no one has told you today, just, be yourself and be the terrific person that you are. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.